Welcome to Wisdom Verse. Did you know that mental strength isn't something you're simply born with? It's something you build over time? Think of it as a hidden superpower, one that helps you bounce back from challenges, stay grounded during chaos, and move steadily toward your goals. But here's the thing. There are habits we engage in daily that might be quietly holding us back, weakening our minds without us even realizing it. Today, we'll uncover 10 such habits and explore powerful insights from Buddhist teachings that can help you break free from them and build a stronger, more resilient mind. The first habit is having a negative mindset. Think of negativity as a storm cloud that blocks the sunshine in your life. It dims even the best moments, making everything feel heavier. The good news? You can shift this mindset. In Buddhism, mindfulness helps you observe your thoughts without judgment, like stepping out of a storm to watch the rain rather than being drenched by it. Pair this with meditation, sending kind and warm thoughts to yourself and others, and you'll notice your mindset transforming, like clouds giving way to a clear, sunny sky. Another habit that weakens your mind is complaining about things outside your control. Complaining is like holding on to a burning coal. It only harms you. Buddhism teaches us the concept of impermanence. Everything changes, whether we like it or not. When you accept this, you stop wasting energy on complaints and start focusing on what you can control. The next time you catch yourself complaining, pause and ask, what can I do about this right now? Redirecting your energy this way can be incredibly empowering. Blaming others for your problems is another trap. When you blame others, you give up control and become a passenger in your own life. Instead, practice personal responsibility, a concept deeply rooted in Buddhism. Forgiveness, both for others and for yourself, is like letting go of a heavy backpack filled with blame and resentment. It frees you, lightens your journey, and helps you reclaim control of your life. Then there's fantasizing instead of visualizing. Fantasies can feel comforting, but they're like castles in the air, beautiful but with no foundation. Visualization, on the other hand, bridges dreams with reality. Buddhist teachings on right intention and right action emphasize this balance. Visualize your goals with clarity and map out the steps you'll take to achieve them. It's like turning a vague dream into a treasure map that guides you to success. Lastly, neglecting personal relationships is a habit that quietly erodes your emotional strength. Relationships are like gardens. They need attention, care, and time to thrive. In Buddhism, the fleeting nature of time reminds us to cherish the moments we have with loved ones. Be present, communicate openly, and nurture your connections, just as you would water a plant or tend to a garden. These are just 5 of the 10 habits that could be secretly weakening your mind. But even letting go of these can create a profound shift in your life. Mental strength starts with small, mindful changes. Begin today by replacing negativity with mindfulness, complaints with action, and blame with forgiveness. Visualize your goals, nurture your relationships, and watch as your mental resilience grows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wisdom Verse, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part of the series. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Treat it with care, and it will guide you to incredible heights. Until next time, stay mindful and stay strong.